Greetings, it's me, Kathleen, aka Gma. It means God matters and so do grandmas and grandpas. And today is Tuesday, February 20th, 2024. And I would like to share something with my subscribers and with the world, actually, because this is very important day today. I was looking forward to this day all day today. And so this is about EMPRESS Chakra rare bird, Ningra.VID, and she's calling for all clan mothers to join her in making a public declaration of restoration back to our planet, back to our land. So with that being said, I'm going to play a little bit of an introduction, okay? This video is on YouTube. I did make another video. I'll try to get that up there. It's kind of, I kind of made like, been doing videos for the past maybe hour and I was trying to get it uploaded. It's been a little difficult. However, there was a live. I was on the live, and it was very fun. I really enjoyed it. You know, my chakras, my heart chakra has been open since 2012. So when I see people come together, it just really makes me happy. There was a Zoom meeting after this, and I had problems getting on the Zoom. I did try to reach out to Rising Phoenix on Instagram. I never really got a chance to really meet her. I was supposed to call her and see about her Reiki classes, as well as something else she has going on, and I didn't really get a chance to do it. I kind of got excited tonight, and I just jumped on there on her page and was like, I can't get on the link. So Miss Rising Phoenix, much love to you, and thank you for, you know, putting that information up there for us. So with that being said, I'm going to play this introduction, and then I'm going to let her read the declaration, because I'm in agreement with her. And my name is Kathleen Maria Williams, and my tribal name is Williams. So here you go.
Greetings and welcome to a very special sacred edition of Office Hours with Dr. G. Tonight is a monumental night. EMPRESS Chakra rare bird Ningra.VID is bringing forth a declaration calling for all clan mothers to join in making a public declaration of restoration back to the land. EMPRESS Chakra rare bird Ningra.VID is head of state and office holder for the Shillelagh Cherokee Nation State. She founded the 12 Steps to Sovereignty classes in 2022, whose mission is bringing individuals back to their sovereignty soul reign that governs us. She founded Gnosis in 2021, which provides in-depth knowledge about the public and private side of ourselves from a metaphysical perspective. Empress Rare Bird says she is here to serve at the pleasure of the indigenous people. I'm going to present to some and now introduce to others Empress.
I'm gonna stop it there, because like I said, I did make a video earlier. Because this keeps cutting off on me and I don't know how much time I got, you can always go on YouTube and you can see the whole presentation on there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip ahead to her reading the declaration, okay? Skip ahead. I know it's taking a little bit of time, but I just want to get right to it. Let's see. Okay, here it is. So, Mama, she's so beautiful. She's a beautiful woman.
If you don't mind, could you type my name on there and we'll put that back up shortly?
I will.
Thank you.
Do that. Let me see. Let me make sure. Let me bring up the other document.
Okay, thank you. All right.
Let's see. Can you see her?
Here we go. Oh, where did we go? Y'all have to forgive me. I closed up something. Here we go. All right. And to figure out what I'm doing. Window. And let me spread it open.
Now you can't really see the declaration, so I'm just gonna we're just gonna listen to it, okay? I'll set it down here and we can listen to it together.
Okay?
Thank you.
So this is what we are to read together with you?
Yes, ma'am, it is. And I just hit the gavel 3 times. And I'll be actually, because I put it in the great book, as everyone can see. So I'm going to read from my great book. And as I read, you all read with me. And we will start by honoring our ancestors. So if you could just take a moment in silence to honor all that has transitioned on, those who are stuck between realms, and for those who are still suffering, and that we honor all our kin, our extended family and friends, for those who are still unconscious, those who are still stuck in 3D, and for those who are light workers that are tired and weary, but yet still on the field for all of us, and those workers who are working to make this transition and doing their part, we thank you in advance. Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. This is a public notice of tribal origin, designation, and application for the collective benefit of all clans, knowing or unknowing of the tribal mother's right to assert as tribal right the restoration of the great law, grandfather in the grandmother clause, which is the mother's right to serve and protect offspring of herself and all other mothers similarly situated. I am Empress Mama Railbird. My tribal territory is Earth, Mother and Matriarch with direct blood ties to the Earth and the first Earth inhabitants, called in modern science genus Homo or sapien, the root to the matrix being mitochondrial, as I, as mother, along with other mothers, are authorized by Prime Creator to regulate our species DNA by mitochondrial analysis of Y chromosomes to heal, correct, repair, and host those who carry the Y chromosome as responsible fashioners of future generations of men by divine decree and order. As our ancestors spoke into existence all that existed, we, the mothers of the earth, tribes, speaking for Mother Earth, channeling Prime Creator through a pure heart.
Yes, a pure heart.
Clear mind.
Clear mind.
And direct link through life's all portal, called in modern terms the uterus, womb, and mystically as portal of life that all children, male and female, must come through as children of the earth, sun, moon, and stars manifest as sentient beings endowed with the genetic code to always restore, maintain, and support a balanced life as a caretaker of the earth and teachers of humanity. We now speak the great liberation of all clans, tribes, and families called in modern law by misnomers of nationals, citizens, voters, and the public, giving false names to intentionally, with malice and forethought, mislead all the earth tribes into unconscious surrender of birthright, inheritance, and sovereign standing before all tribes, with a mother's stern rejection. I, Mama Rarebird, say enough is enough. As a mother
Yes.
and matriarch with the blood
Yes.
and the rights secured by the great law, protected by the great spirit, and enforced by agents of Prime Creator, whom are called angels in righteousness.
Yes.
I say, this is the mother's right to protect, rear, and raise children in a free and open society with reverence for all that is good, fair, and just, in maintaining universal balance on earth among the varying tribes in any and all social conditions. We call for a definite and clear end to public displays of deception and privately held secrets designed to usurp the nature, given, inalienable rights of any and all clans, clan members, and their respective leadership, whom the legal fiction has derailed and undermined from fulfilling tribal functions and proper administration of tribal law. I, Empress Mama Rarebird, call to life and call to light all chiefs being bound, restricted, captured, and held captive, also informing public notice, time stamped, and dated in an archivable format before all clans across the land according to our tribal traditions of the spoken law, with neither acknowledgement nor approval being needed from the legal fiction now defunct, formerly known as the United States Incorporated. It is by superior jurisdiction and competent disclosure, I and other clan mothers
Yes.
inform the tribes of the orders in agreement with the collective tribes to return to our tribal ways, asserting our oral tradition and inalienable rights, to return all clans back to the great law without delay nor obstruction. Return back all clans back to the great law without delay nor obstruction. I will say that one more time. To return all clans back to the great law without delay nor obstruction. This is my notice. This is my decree, publicly announcing the returning matriarchy and a new beginning across the lands and throughout the earth. It is so, and so it is ordered. Ashe, ashe, ashe. So it, and so it is.
And so it is. And with that being said, once again, that was Empress Chakra, Rare Bird. And she's calling for all clan mothers to join her in making this important public declaration of restoration back to the land. And I am in agreement with her. My name is Kathleen Williams, and my tribal name is Williams. And this has been a beautiful, beautiful thing, and I've been looking forward to this since the announcement, which was, I believe, 2 or 3 days ago. And I'm very happy about this because my family means a lot to me. Even the family that I haven't gotten a chance to meet yet, they mean a lot to me. And I know that everybody's not a good person, okay? But we all have days where we're good and we're not so good. And so for those who have wronged the people of the land, including myself, I forgive you. We forgive you. And for me, I'm grateful for this. And with that being said, Ashe, I'm in agreement with it. Thank you. Oh, and I also want to say shout out to the Young Elder News. He has helped me in my spiritual walk, and I'm really truly grateful for him. So thank you, Young Elder. You didn't turn a blind eye. I appreciate you. Much love. From one pure heart to another. Ashe.